Welcome back to Mobility Solutions. Today we are repairing a GB120 with a stuck tiller. It's a simple fix. We'll show you exactly what to do to repair it. Let's get started.
What kind of issue we got today?
We got a tiller issue. This wire that's connected to here with a little Allen key is just loose, so we gotta tighten that up. And to get this up, we're gonna come down here, some needle nose, and get this hydraulic to come up. So we'll just pinch this guy right here when this hydraulic is down. You're gonna pinch that and this part together, and then that will allow it to release. Down here, you're gonna unscrew these 6 bolts. All right. All right, so look right here. You see it?
Yeah.
You see this wire? This is just loose. It's not moving it, so of course the hydraulic's not going to work.
Oh, okay. So you just tension it.
So all we're doing is just redoing that guy. Loosen it up. And then pull that up. And then it should just tighten it back up. Just tighten her up. And there you go. You don't have to pull it, push it. You just gotta pull it back towards you. And down. Easy fix. It left in good working order. I don't know, just some of those times.
They went on a cruise, and you know this was loaded in the back of a bus, probably going from the port to the boat.
Yeah,
And probably had a bag put on it or something.
it could be. I mean, it was brand new. Like I just put it on the day before it got picked up. This brand whole tiller assembly. All we know is it's fixed. Perfect.
Thanks for watching today's repair video. And if you want to see more repair videos on the GB120, like changing out the tiller board, check out the video on the screen now or our repair playlist for even more videos. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.